This is Ben from Testive, and we're looking at a natural sciences ACT question here. Which of the following statements best summarizes the function of the quotes by the poet John Keats in lines 8 to 10? Okay, so we're just going to go straight to John Keats's quotes in this first paragraph, and we're going to read through. On the other hand, so I'm starting a line before. On the other hand, something without limits is no less potent in mystery than something that is invisible. This truth lies at the heart of the dramatic effect of the poet Keats's stout Cortez staring at the boundless Pacific while all his men look at each other, guessing wildly, silent upon a peak in Darien. It is with similar feelings that the astronomer regards certain places where his vision seems to range out into endless empty space. Okay, so I read before and after the quote to get a sense of what it's about, and let's see if we can kind of rule anything out here. So Cortez is a character in the poet's quote, but we know that the rest of the passage doesn't have anything to do with him, so we can rule out that we're developing his character here. We can also probably rule out we could probably rule out a couple other choices, but let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. So it's the reason that I read before and after the quote is to get a sense for context. And it says here, this truth. So what truth are we talking about when we introduce this quote? We're talking about the truth that comes right before it. On the other hand, something without limits is no less potent in mystery than something that is invisible. So it's saying something that goes on forever is very mysterious. And then the quote is about Cortez staring out at the Pacific, capitalized Pacific Ocean, okay? And then after the quote, it goes to a place of saying it is with similar feelings that the astronomer regards certain places out into empty space. Okay, so it seems like we're comparing the truth about the ocean going on forever to space going on forever here. And so that's obviously the second choice, to create an analogy between space and the ocean.